Facing cycle. Select the F3 icon. Define your part. Xi and Zi is the starting point for your X and Z coordinates. In this example, we will be using X1.5 and Z.05. XF and ZF is their ending point of your X and Z coordinates. In this example, we will be using X1.5 and Z0. For the diameter, we will turn the part down to, we are going to go past center line, so in this example, we will use minus 0.25. The safety distances are the amount your tool will be away from your starting point before beginning its operation. In this example, we will be using 0.1 for both axes. Define your machining condition. You can use either RPM or CSS when machining. Use the half key to toggle from one to the other. In this example, we will be using CSS. Smax is the maximum spindle speed that you can use while running this canned cycle. In this example, we will be using 1500. Spindle direction, the half key will toggle you from clockwise to counterclockwise. We will be using clockwise. Coolant on or off, use the half key to select as well. Define your roughing pass. F is the roughing feed rate for your axes. In this example, we are using a value of 2 thousandths per revolution. BCC is your surface speed. In this example, we will be using a value of 300. T is your tool number, and we will use T1. And D is the tool offset number. In this example, we are using D1. The delta is your turning step in, how much material you are going to take off per pass. In this example, we will be using 10 thousandths. Since we will not be using a finishing pass, we will leave the finishing pass at T0, therefore negating the finishing pass. Simulation. Before the execution of any part program, running your program in simulation is strongly recommended. Select the graphics icon from your canned cycle. Next step is to define your part size. For this example, we will be using Z minimum at -5, Z maximum at 50 thousandths, inside diameter of 0, and an outside diameter of 1.5. Now, to run your program inside simulation, press the Cycle Start button. After simulating the cycle, the following screen should appear. You are now ready to save this cycle to your part program. Select the part program key twice. The following screen will appear. Highlight Create New Part and press the part program key once more. Enter a part number or let the CNC call up the first available number. In this example, we will use 15. Hit Enter. Enter a comment for your part program and hit Enter. In this example, we are using Sample 1. Select the right arrow cursor. Now the right-hand column will be highlighted. Once this section is highlighted, you may now press Enter and your cycle will be saved to the part program.